So this is how I make my simple class record. As you can see, I type prelim in B1 and computer productivity tools in C1. Next is I type student number and student name on B2 to B4 and C2 to C4. And then merge. And then on D2, I type seat work, quizzes on G2, task performance on J2, major exam on O2, and periodic grade on Q2. I also type SW1 and SW2 and percentage score on D3, E3, and F3. TP1 to TP4 on J3, K3, L3, and M3. And percentage score. I also type ME and PS on O3 and P3. And grades and remarks on Q3 and R3. I also type 100 each row 4 represent the highest possible score in the task. And then on A5 I type 1. On B5 I type my student number and my complete name on C5. I also merge the following groups of cells based on the instructions. I make alt text in rows 1 to 4 in boldface and apply borders to row 2 to 5. And then I apply formula on F5. And repeat the formula on I5 and N5. On P5, I divide O5 by O4, then multiply by 50 and add 50. On Q5, I type this formula. And then I format Q5 to display grade with only 2 decimal places. I display passed in R5 if the grade is 74.5 or higher, otherwise show failed. I also freeze column B and column C. I rename sheet 1 as prelim. I create 4 copies of the worksheet for midterm, pre-final, final, and summary. And then I change the text of B1 in each of these worksheets appropriately. And for the summary worksheet, I change B1's text to summary. I also delete all the columns after C. On cell D4 to I4, I type the following in order: prelim 20%, midterm 20%, pre-final 20%, final 40%, and final grade and remarks. I display the 4 periodic grades by referencing cells from the other worksheet. And then the final grade in H5 and display pass or failed in I5.